Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and essentials. First, reduce room temperature to around 20 to 24 degrees and clear obstructions near intake vents. Cooler air equals lower GPU die temps. Next, confirm you have at least 1 or 2 intake fans and a dedicated exhaust to create directional airflow, because still air traps heat. Once done, install monitoring software and update GPU drivers, so you can measure improvements in real time and avoid guesswork during the next steps. You now focus on internal airflow and direct cooling changes. Start by rerouting cables and repositioning drives to open a clear intake-to-exhaust path, because even small obstructions raise temperatures. Then, consider replacing aged thermal paste or installing an aftermarket cooler to improve heat transfer from the GPU core. Better conduction reduces sustained peak temps. After hardware tweaks, program fan curves so fans ramp up around 60 to 75 degrees and remain quiet below. You finish with software tuning and validation to lock in gains. Begin by undervolting or slightly reducing GPU power limit by 5 to 15%. This lowers heat output without large performance loss. Then run stress tests and normal workloads while logging temps to confirm improvements compared to your baseline. If temps remain elevated, troubleshoot. Make sure heatsink contact is solid, fans spin in the correct direction, and the GPU is fully seated. If needed, reseat the card and recheck thermal interface for gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.